This week, you're going to be reading detectives, looking for clues to find the main topic in a text. What does identify mean? Identify means find. Today, we will identify or find the main topic. What is the main topic? The main topic is the big topic. It is what the text is mostly about. You might be wondering, how can I identify the main topic? There are 4 steps. Step 1, read the text. Step 2, listen for clues in the title. Step 3, listen for repeated words. Like you might hear the word cats, 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 cats on every page. Step 4, identify what the text is mostly about. Listen as I read an article called The Zoo. The zoo has many animals. Boys and girls can visit the zoo and learn about the animals. The zoo has many exhibits. Each exhibit has different animals. Children can see elephants, giraffes, lions, tigers, bears, monkeys, and even more at the zoo. Now, I know the main topic is the zoo because the text was mostly about the zoo. That was pretty easy, right? I know the main topic is the zoo. I saw the word zoo in the title, and the word was repeated in the text. Look what I did. I underlined the word zoo in the title, and I also underlined it in the text 4 times. I know this main topic was the zoo for sure. Now, elephants is not the main topic because the text is not mostly about elephants. Okay, now it's your turn to practice finding the main topic. I'm going to read you a new article called Lions. See if you can find the main topic. Lions. Lions can roar loudly. They have sharp teeth. Lions live in groups called prides. The male or boy lion protects the pride's territory or area. The female or girl lions raise lion cubs and hunt. Okay, do you know what the main topic is? Go ahead and get this piece of paper. It says, I know the main topic is blank. What was that article about? And then you're going to say why. Because. I know the main topic is blank because blank. What was that text mostly about? Go ahead and draw a picture of the main topic and write the words at the top. If you're not sure what the main topic is, I can read the text for you one more time. Remember, the main topic is what the text is all about. What is it all about? Lions. Lions can roar loudly. They have sharp teeth. Lions live in groups called prides. The male, or boy, lions protect the pride's territory or area. The female, or girl, lions raise lion cubs and hunt. Okay, go ahead and write what the main topic is and tell me how you know that.